In a quiet African village, a young boy named Imani walks alone. His slippers are torn, but his dreams are big. At school, Imani always sat quietly in the back. His uniform was old and his books were few. Other kids from rich families laughed at him, calling him the boy with broken slippers. One day, a kind teacher noticed Imani's sadness. She called him after class and gave him a notebook and a pen. "I believe in you," she whispered. Imani's eyes sparkled with hope. From that day, Imani studied harder than ever. He woke up early, helped his mother, then rushed to school with his gifted notebook. Even when others mocked him, he kept dreaming big. Years passed. Imani's hard work paid off. He won a scholarship to a top school in the city. The same kids who once laughed at him now clapped as he received an award for being the best student. Imani stood tall, holding his award with tears in his eyes. "This is for my mother and for every child who's ever felt small," he said. The crowd cheered. From a poor village boy to a shining star, Imani had become a hero. Imani's story is a reminder. No matter where you come from, your dreams are valid. Keep believing, keep working, and one day, your light will shine too.